Hello, students. Good afternoon. This question was asked, so I am responding for the same. Difference last year in last year paper, this question was asked. That's the difference between translation and transcreation. So here I have got a good response. So I'm speaking for the same. That is a translation. First point: the difference between translator and transcreator. So for translation, one has to strive for accuracy. Suppose you are a translator and you have to translate English or Hindi, vice versa, Hindi article into English, right? So what is the first point is you have to maintain the accuracy. So you will strive for accuracy, means sense should not be changed, right? And then the meaning and everything should be copied from Hindi text to English text, targeted text, right? Whereas transcreator, suppose you are transcreator, so what you will strive for? Resonance, right? Resonance is the same tone and then the same flavor, same appearance means what you listen, what you think, what you imagine, visualize after listening, that that is your first priority. Whereas translators will maintain, they will think for accuracy, and transcreator think for he thinks for resonance, resembleness, same, almost same, like uh, ditto, right? Whatever is written, and suppose Mahabharat, which is in Hindi, will be translated into German. So that's a culture of German and everything is different. But the same you have to transcreate. So that's according to their culture and everything. And the same where you must have seen that in different religious channel, we see that Indian crowd, when there is preaching, astha channels and all, so when they preachers preach something, so then what, how audience behave in India, that almost that same atmosphere after listening the Mahabharat in American or Japan or German. I have given you example German. So in that atmosphere also same feeling should be arised, right? So that is called resonance. What you are writing, what you are writing, and then the same atmosphere should be created. So that is the duty of transcreator. So first point is this. Second is it can be performed by machine, and it is performed nowadays. Number of softwares are available. When you a translator, even in phone nowadays it is available, so that number of languages, same text is converted into different languages. So that is, translation can be done through machine. But here in transcreation, it depends on human creativity, and that is why it's a great example is that idioms cannot be changed, right? Even sometime machine can change the text but cannot uh, think what human beings, right? So here, that's a creativity is, that is why human being brain is always in upper hand, right? Why? Because this machine is created by AI, is created by human brain. Human brain is not created by AI. So here in transcreation, that's a creativity, human creativity is very important, right? Then next is jobs can be done pretty independently, where in the case of translation, that translation can be done independently, right? But here a detailed brief is crucial. Means you have to use different tools, right? Tools, what I mean to say that's suppose you are translating Mahabharat into for German NRIs, suppose, right? So then through using like through animation or through different sources, you are trying to create the same feeling and same taste, right? Same atmosphere. So that is detailed brief is crucial. Means that's a detailed study, but it should be in brief, right? बहुत डिटेल, सपोज रामायण, तो पूरा डिटेल नहीं बता के बट डिटेल्ड होने के बाद भी आप उसको ब्रीफ में हाउ कैन यू प्रेजेंट इट इन टू ब्रीफ, दैट इज़ द क्रिएटिविटी एंड दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ट्रांस क्रिएटर. Okay, now next, translation memories are really helpful. Translation memories means, suppose again I'm giving your example, you are a translator, so your memories means you are very apt in Hindi and English, right? So grammar and everything and proverbs and in both the languages, if you are competent, so which is very helpful to translate the text from one language to another. Here, while in transcreation, that is entails producing original and unique text each time. Means paragraph to paragraph. In fact, sometime line to line, you have to uh, maintain originality, but with the unique text, right? Means that is not just copy, that is not shortcut, that is not immediate. You have to think more and then put creativity, and at the same time challenge is that you uh, don't change the sense, right? Not at all. We are not at all we don't have authority to change each and every sense should be maintained. So that is the challenge, but with all these challenge, you just have to uh, create text in a unique way, so that is that should be presented with the something creative, so that it can be penetrated into human mind. For example, actually transcreation is used for marketing, mainly used for marketing. Suppose you have launched one product and you are selling your project to another country, so for their suppose Chinese food, right? Once upon a time, in when we were in your age, we were not familiar with all these kind of food. But then, how gradually they have captured the market because of number of tools they must have used. We are innocent, we could not get, but then first of all, language, through language, right? So, and Maggie is not Hindi word, but then we are quite familiar. Why? Because and then the appearance of Maggie in the beginning, for long time still my mother does not have these kind of food, and my grandmother, she was not she did not eat what is bread, right? Why? Because there was myth that bread पैर से बनाते हैं, ये होता है वो होता है, yeast वो नहीं खाना चाहती थी, this way. So that is mindset is changed. My mother used to eat bread, but she does not have Maggie and other food, right? So why? Because of appearance and all, कि एग है, ये है, कैसा दिखता है, अजीब सा दिखता है, इल्ली जैसा दिखता है, whatever. तो but new generation we eat, but then something new we may not eat, है ना? तो आप लोग खाते हो, जो शायद हम नहीं खाते अभी, बहुत सारा मोमोज और ये वो, राइट. सो आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एग्जांपल. तो मार्केटिंग जब होती है तो हाउ लाइक एडवर्टीजमेंट एंड लैंग्वेज पेनिट्रेट ह्यूमन माइंड. तो दैट आपने देखा होगा कि आर्मी पीपल, तो दैट्स अ मैगी वंस अपॉन अ टाइम इज सजेस्टेड टू आर्मी पीपल. फिर जो भी कंट्रोवर्सी हुई नेस्ले वेस्ले में, उसके बाद से वो कुछ कम हुआ. अदरवाइज, सो this is the transcreation, that Chinese food is surviving and very well. Like in fact, Indian food once upon a time was dominated by other kitchen, right, other recipes. So that is why, because of transcreation, कि सेम वो इम्पोर्टेंस समझ में आए कि वो कैसा है, वाई इट इज़ बेनिफिशियल टू आवर हेल्थ. एंड जबकि वो मैदा है, लेकिन एवरीथिंग कि इट्स बॉइल्ड एंड इट्स फैट फ्री और समथिंग. सो दैट इज़ द मैजिक ऑफ ट्रांसक्रिएशन. दैट्स द सेम. Here I'm talking about language, but why language is used for marketing? So that language is transcreation, means they have changed the text along with creativity so that their purpose must be served. So that is there. Now the next point is, it tends to be charged by the word or pages. The same words or same pages, that's a, in one page 100 words are there, so that's a, in next targeted language 100 around words must be there in the same page, right? So that's a copy. But here it tends to be charged by the hour. Like words hardly matters. 1 hour or 15 minutes or 10-second wala advertisement. So same advertisement should be converted into another language and same message must be delivered. But then that's a time, right? So here in transcreation you have to maintain the time and message, same message you have to display, right? You have to create. So here transcreation, creativity, like trans is change with creativity, and translation, that is just copy, right? स्कैनिंग कर सकते हैं हम, या हम एक लैंग्वेज से सेम लैंग्वेज यू जस्ट हैव टू कॉपी. इट्स समवॉट मैकेनिकल एंड इट्स समवॉट क्रिएटिविटी, इनोवेशन. तो हियर इट टेंड्स टू बी चार्ज बाय आर. तो यहाँ पर इनका आपको पेज के अकॉर्डिंग चार्ज मिलता है, क्योंकि आपने सेम का सेम कॉपी. यहाँ पर आपने 1 घंटे में कितनी सारी ऑडियंस को कैप्चर किया, राइट? तो वो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. तो यहाँ पर आपको आर 1 घंटे का, 1 मिनट का, इतना आपके 5 मिनट में शॉर्ट में 10 सेकेंड में आप कितना ब्यूटीफुल एडवर्टाइज बनाते हो. तो यू विल बी गिवन मनी अकॉर्डिंग टू time, right? And then that is less expensive, that is more expensive, of course. यहाँ तो machine कर देती. In case of translation, machine will do the same, but here that is more expensive. Why? Because different resources are used for transcreation, and it is time taken, it is brainy activity, right? So you have to you have to give much time. So that's why it's chargeable, highly chargeable, right? More expensive, and translation is less expensive. So that is a small video I have made, and I will make another videos after 25th. Okay, all the best. Bye bye.